Hey you guys, thank you guys for tuning into the channel today. So today you guys, we got such an awesome opportunity from Reddit. They are hiring for a program manager, you guys, and they are hiring at $202,000, you guys. This position is fully remote, no degree required, and they are offering a Workspace bonus, you guys. Get into this job. Like, normally I don't do videos on Saturday, but I had to bring this to you guys. You guys, go pick up the virtual resume rewrite session so you are able to put your resume in for this job. Like I said, if you guys are switching industries, you need the virtual resume rewrite session. And if you are not switching industries, revamp your resume, because those six-figure phrases help you to land six-figure positions, you guys. So let's get right into this video right now, you guys. Okay, you guys, so let me do my shout outs of the day and then we are off to this video. So we got Miss Shantae, you guys. She used the virtual resume rewrite session and she landed a job for $169,000. It literally only took her 2.5 weeks. So before her second installment of her PayPal Pay in 4, she got the interview and she landed the job. Congratulations, girl, for taking a leap of faith and doing what you needed to do by grabbing that virtual rewrite session. We got Mr. DeMarco, you guys. He got an offer for him. No, he got the job, okay? He got the job, not an offer. He got the job for $182,000 using the virtual resume rewrite session. I'm so proud of you, Mr. DeMarco. All right, so we got Miss Claudia, and she said it just like that, Claudia, okay? She got the job for $175,000 using the virtual resume rewrite session. She got it. She landed it. You guys, take that leap of faith. Go get the virtual resume rewrite session. I have pre-written all of your bios, your skills, your experience. All you have to do is copy and paste and use the tutorial, you guys, to help you to tailor your resume to this and any and every job out there. Literally, when you use the virtual resume rewrite session, in about 10 to 15 minutes, you will have a professionally written resume ready to go, ready to land this job, you guys. This job is, they just posted this, okay, you guys? So y'all go get over there to Reddit and put that resume, put your professional resume in. All right, you guys. So the inspiration of the day is I have already walked through the fire and it has not burned me. I did not know how strong I was. So if you are walking through the fire in this moment and point of your life, that fire is making you stronger. And I am Sam, the coach. I am your cheerleader to get you to land these six-figure positions so that you can be a champion for your family. This is 2023 and we are not doing any type of homelessness. We're not doing evictions this year. We are not doing any of that. What we are doing, we are coming and walking into blessings this year, you guys. This year is full of blessings. You guys, go get that virtual resume rewrite session. It is a pain-free. This is a pain-free resume that I have created for you guys. All you have to do is copy and paste and you guys will be able to rewrite your resume, okay? Let's get into this. Let's get into it right now, you guys. Let's go. Yeah, so like I said before, so Reddit is hiring for a senior sales enablement program manager, you guys. Program manager. And you guys, that is why every job that I pick, you literally can use my virtual resume rewrite session to have a professional resume within 10 to 15 minutes so that you are able to land this job, okay? I picked this job specifically so that you are able to use the virtual resume rewrite session to land this job. I want you guys to land this job. This job is $202,000, you guys. They offer a bonus for setting up your workspace. Fully remote and no degree, you guys. Y'all go get that virtual resume rewrite session. It is paid in full through PayPal, you guys, and land this job. All right, so hey, you guys read the first two, but I'm going to go down to the meat and bones. It says, we are looking for a passionate, accomplished senior sales enablement program manager to join our global sales and partner enablement team. In this remote friendly role, you will report to Reddit's head of sales effectiveness as a trusted advisor and program lead. You will partner with sales leadership, business operations, and other partners to translate sales and business strategies into training program and resources. Together, we will build engaging programs and impactful experiences to empower our internal sales teams and external partners to maximize the power of community with Reddit's ads. So basically what this job is telling us is that you're going to be the program lead on this job, okay? They're not saying that you have to have technical experience. What they're saying is they need you to manage their team. It says, I'm going to go back to that paragraph. It says translate sales and business strategies into training programs and resources. So you are going to need leadership skills on this job, and the virtual resume rewrite session has those leadership skills already explained for you, and the experiences, you guys. We have the experiences. All you have to do is copy and paste, tailor it to this job, and go land this job. Okay, it says what you will do. It says design and manage a sales skills program and associated asset success measures and calendar that incorporates a blend of methods to maximize retention and adoption, i.e. peer-to-peer community learning, hands-on workshops, deal coaching, on-demand tools, sales simulations, and sales strategies. So what they're telling you is you are going to be the one that starts their programs. You're going to design and you're going to manage their sales programs. It sounds like you're going to be a trainer, okay? A trainer for the team. A team, like a team leader, team trainer. You guys, go rewrite your resume for this, okay? Because like I told you guys, with these six-figure jobs, you are going to need six-figure skills and experience, and that's what you're going to be doing for this job. It says lead cadence needs assessments to validate sales approaches and habits of top performing sellers, account managers, and sales managers, and inform the enablement roadmap across large client and mid-market sales teams. Once again, leading teams. Lead the scoping and delivering of learning programs and resources, formats, and modalities may include live workshop, on-demand courses, job aids, sales summit presentations, and more. So you're going to be the head lead on their sales team, you guys. This is such an easy job, you guys, because if you have ever been a manager, if you have ever led like a sales team or something like that, you would be perfect for this job. All you need to do is rewrite the experience that you already have. And like I said, all of it is included in the virtual resume rewrite session. And you guys, like I said, I partner with PayPal to give that to you in installment payments, you guys. Installments. You do not have to pay all at once. Literally go get your resume, get the virtual resume rewrite kit, rewrite your resume, put it in. I want you to be able to have an interview just like so many of my other clients have, even before you guys are able to pay the second installment. Okay, all right. It says collaborate with other enablement program managers and learning experience designers to partner on shared opportunities to simplify and scale our curriculum across new hire, product, sales skills, and partner training. Align with cross-functional teams on shared opportunity. It says, please note that you will be asked to share a portfolio of prior work as part of the interview process. And you guys, you can do this, okay? This is really very simple, all right? And if you guys are worried about their portfolio, don't worry about it. Whenever you get the interview for this job, just call me, email me, and I will help you get there. Especially if you bought the virtual resume rewrite session, I will help you create that portfolio, okay? All right, so let's get down to the qualification. It says 5 years experience in sales, enablement, training, development, or program management for sales teams, customers, and resellers. What they're basically asking you to do on this job, you're going to be training them how to sell, okay? This is such a super simple, easy job, and you're going to be training them basically how to sell, all right? So don't let the title of this job discourage you from applying. Go apply for this job. Go rewrite your resume, because like I was telling you guys, for these 6-figure jobs, you are going to need a 6-figure resume, and that is what I created for you inside the virtual resume rewrite session. Y'all go get this job, right now. It says experience presenting to a group, facilitating a training, or leading key meetings, both virtual and in person. Experience leading the implementation and reinforcement of sales methodologies. Experience building global enablement programs from scratch. Experience translating sales strategies into program strategies and well-written learning content. Experience developing on-demand and in-person learning experiences using user-centered design principles. Experience with biddable media, and the paid social landscape is a major plus. Basically, do you have experience in social media? That's what they're telling you. Okay, collaborative spirit, open to diverse perspective and new ideas, you guys. Y'all go get this virtual resume rewrite session. Put the 6-figure keywords and phrases on your resume, just like so many of my clients have done. They have landed these jobs, okay? Go land this job, all right? This job is too good to let go, and I know you guys can do it. The only thing that you are missing is a professional resume where you can literally tell them about the skills that you already have. Go get that virtual resume rewrite session. It is paying for you guys. All right, so let's get down. Now you guys see the benefits. So it says comprehensive health benefits, 401k matching, workspace benefits for your office, personal and professional development funds, family planning support, and you guys, we're going to get down to the pay, because the pay is absolutely amazing. Let's go. So now we are down to the pay. The pay for this job, it starts off at $134,000, really $135,000, okay? And it goes all the way up to $202,000. Y'all go rewrite your resume. Like I said, go get the virtual resume rewrite session. You will have a professional resume to give into the hiring manager for this, you guys. Use the resume that I have included. All you have to do is copy and paste. Use that virtual resume rewrite session to rewrite your resume. Put you a professional resume in, you guys, because like I was telling you guys, you need a professional resume to apply for this job, okay? Because this is a 6-figure job. I have already written you guys a 6-figure resume included within the virtual resume rewrite session. Y'all go get it. Go apply for this job today, Saturday, you guys. By Monday, by Tuesday, I want to hear of some success stories, and I want to read your name off of my shout outs of the day. You guys have a blessed, wonderful, amazing, just beautiful day. You guys like and follow for more. Until the next video, bye.